Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so happy to be back with another vlog, sharing some highlights of my days here in Canada. I've only ever seen or heard of Ikea on YouTube or from other people, so you can imagine how excited I was to go for the first time. We had a really good time looking around. It's a chilly day, so I had to have some tea. I was taking my time. Yeah. We also had late lunch in the store, which was a first for me. Pretty cool, I must say. On a different day coming back from work, it snowed for about 2 days here, which apparently was early snow. So today I started off by cleaning up my Airbnb apartment. The cleaning is such a mess, so I had to clean up before I start making breakfast and get working. Good thing I'm working from home today. But first I have to set the mood. With this diffuser, it's also a humidifier. I absolutely love it. Out of nowhere, my laptop decided to refresh and restart on its own, so I'm just sitting here waiting for it to do that. It took a little while, so I decided to go ahead and check on my breakfast just to make sure nothing burns. I'm finally able to start, check my emails, and carry on with my work. Today is a different day coming back from work. Not sure why my eyes look a bit red here, but anyways, oh well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.